Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Recap, covering market moves in indexes, sectors, technology, crypto, currencies, and commodities for Friday, February 13th, 2026. Kicking things off, I'm Max Profit. Key indexes were mixed. The S&P 500 index rose slightly, closing at 6,835.8, up by 2.31. The Dow 30 index also advanced, closing at 49,500.92, with a gain of 48.93. Conversely, the Nasdaq Composite Index dipped, closing down by 50.47 to 22,546.67. Market breadth shows mixed trends across major indexes. The S&P 500 index had more advances than declines today, with 357 rising stocks. In the Nasdaq Composite Index, advances significantly outpaced declines. The Dow 30 index displayed a balanced picture, with 15 advances and 15 declines. Analyzing total and daily returns, the Dow 30 index shows strength with a monthly return of 1.24%, while the Nasdaq Composite Index shows a significant decline of 3.9% month-to-date. The S&P 400 Mid-Cap Index highlights robust performance with a monthly gain of 3.68%. Top performers in sectors include the utilities closing at 471.69, marking a new all-time high. Real estate rose by 1.4%, closing at 276.37. The basic materials sector also exhibited strength with a close at 669.60, reflecting a strong positive trend. Lagging sectors today included the communication services, which decreased by 0.76% to 441.13, and the technology sector, falling to 5,402.58 amid a strong negative trend. In contrast, the consumer defensive sector ended positive with a rise to 999.64, achieving a new all-time higher close. Leading global markets today, South Korea achieved a new all-time higher close at 133.97. Mexico reached an all-time high at 81.3, and Turkey hit a one-year high at 42.22. These markets show strong, positive trends fueling their upward momentum. Reviewing returns, South Korea's ETF stood out with a year-to-date return nearing 37.8%. Mexico reported a strong year-to-date growth of 16.88%, while Turkey followed closely with a 22.66% gain this year. All displayed strong momentum and positive trajectories. Today's technology stocks showed a downward trend. Apple closed at 255.78, dropping 5.95, marking a two-day decline with a strong negative trend. Alphabet ended at 306.2, down 3.35, continuing its four-day slide amidst mixed volatility. Amazon saw its ninth consecutive drop, closing at 198.79, shedding 0.81 in a very strong downward trend.
Checking out crypto, I'm Timothy Satoshi. Bitcoin is making waves today, reaching a current price of $68,844.7, climbing 2,636.7 higher. This marks a 3.9% increase, yet it still remains in a very strong negative trend. Meanwhile, Ethereum advances, gaining 106.38 to a price of $2,052.49, a solid 5.4% rise, continuing a second day of positive movement. Across the board, we see BNB up 7.33 to 621.51, though it's had a flattish movement lately. Solana enjoys a robust 8.2% jump, ascending by 6.49 to hit 84.83. Over in the meme crypto world, Dogecoin sees a 4.7% rise, gaining a fraction of a cent to currently sit at 0.0973, leading a breakout from a flat trend.
For a look at foreign exchange, I'm Victoria Cashmore. The US dollar is currently down against major currencies like the euro, British pound, and Japanese yen. Notably, it showed a very strong negative trend against the euro and Swiss franc, while just today it managed an upward breakout against the Australian dollar with a 0.22% increase.
I'm Max Profit, along with our AI hosts Timothy Satoshi and Victoria Cashmore. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check in weekdays after 4 p.m. New York time for daily market reports with in-depth stock, index, sector, crypto, currency, and commodity coverage. Thanks for watching.